Kamala Harris took the stage in Washington, D.C. with a clear mission to confront Donald Trump head-on. In her powerful speech, she mentioned Trump by name 24 times, making it clear that even when he's not in office, he looms large in the American psyche. Standing at the ellipse just south of the White House, Harris reminded everyone of Trump's infamous rally held there nearly 4 years ago. She highlighted how he sent an armed mob to the Capitol to overturn the 2020 election results. But Harris's rally painted a starkly different picture, filled with hope and unity. A diverse crowd of about 75,000 people chanted, "Kamala, Kamala, and we're not going back." The atmosphere was electric, surrounded by symbols of American democracy, the Washington Monument, the Jefferson Memorial, and the White House itself. Harris adopted a serious tone, warning of the threat Trump poses. She refrained from using the term fascist, but the echoes of authoritarianism were clear. Her focus was on turning the election into a referendum on Trump, not herself. "It is time to turn the page on the drama and conflict, the fear and division," she declared. "It is time for a new generation of leadership in America." While some Democrats urged her to distance from Biden, Harris's speech echoed Biden's warnings about Trump, but with her own twist. The word freedom was emblazoned across 3 giant blue banners, overshadowing the president's favored term, democracy. Despite protests about the war in Gaza, Harris stayed on message, promising practical solutions, tax cuts, a ban on price gouging, affordable insulin, and support for first-time homebuyers. Towards the end, Harris evoked a powerful image of America's fight for freedom from tyranny. "The United States of America is not a vessel for the schemes of wannabe dictators," she proclaimed. Then, a pivot to hope. "The United States of America is the greatest idea humanity ever devised. A nation big enough to encompass all our dreams, strong enough to withstand any fracture or fissure between us, and fearless enough to imagine a future of possibilities." As Doug Emhoff joined her on stage, the crowd erupted in cheers. "Next Tuesday, America will choose." Harris told the crowd, "Donald Trump has spent a decade trying to keep the American people divided and afraid of each other. That's who he is. But America, I am here tonight to say that's not who we are. The coming election will reveal who we really are as a nation." Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel.